Welcome everybody, my name is Marcus Stone and in this video you will learn how you can easily add comparison table for your site in Weebly. So let's start. First, what you want to do is just scroll down below in the description and click on the link in the description below. When you're gonna click on it, you will get on this site called L-Site. L-Site is a good, amazing company with a lot of widgets that you can use, and one of them is comparison table. Click here on sign up for free. When you're gonna click here on sign up for free, create an account with the Gmail or Facebook. When you will have it, then just click login. In login, you're going to have applications and you want to write here pricing. You're going to see here pricing table, create a widget. And let's wait for it. Let's wait for it. Damn. Okay, we got it. Pricing table, create a widget. So now you're going to see here comparison table. First, you can see like it's really good. So now continue with the template and you can choose between table, between grid, between columns. I will like the table. This is really great if you want to create a field site. Now you're going to have content. So you can go with the head column and just editing here everything from wheels, warranty, and you can edit it for each of those. Toggle, okay. And then Tesla Model 3, for example, and you see like price here, order now, or you don't need to have even price there. See, the price is not existent. So that's pretty cool. Or you can have the price here and just when you have gonna have a button link, it would go to a field site. So that's pretty cool to do. So when you have it, then just content we got, appearance, again, you can change everything, the colors, play around it as much as you want. Click here on save. And now you're gonna have option to choose between the plan. The first one is light. It's 200 views. Then you can like get it for $5 a month. That's 5,000 views. Or you can get all applications for $15 and you can get like so many of them that it's perfect. I honestly like this one here for $30. There's like 50,000 views per app and it will save you so much time. And check other applications here. So when you have it, let's copy the code. Let's add empt code here on our site. And let's click to custom HTML and let's see how it looks like there. See? Perfect. And now when you publish the site, people click on order now and voila, you got it. Amazing, simple. That's how it should be. So this is how you add comparison table for your site in Weebly. If you have any questions, ask me down below in the comments. I'll try to give you feedback, help you know how it works. So yeah, thank you. Have a great day and goodbye.